And it's pretty impressive to see on the map just how big this system is. It's been affecting a lot of areas of the country, and this storm is so wide that it actually has snow going all the way through areas of the Great Lakes back into Pennsylvania. Earlier in the day, it was even snowing in Ohio. So this storm is incredibly large, and it has a cold front that stretches all the way down across the Atlantic Ocean, over the Carolinas, through the Florida Panhandle, and into the Gulf. So this is a very large, very dynamic system. We tend to call these synoptic scale storms. It just means that they're a little bit larger, and it's been very impressive, dropping multiple precipitation types across the East Coast. We have ice storm warnings in areas of the Carolinas and northern Georgia, then the winter storm warnings for the snow stretching from the Ohio River Valley all the way to here in Maine. Thankfully, here in Maine, we don't have to worry about the ice or the rain-snow line. In fact, our temperatures have been in the single digits. Therefore, the rain-snow line is very far away from us. We do have a winter storm warning in effect for much of the state. Winter weather advisory in far northern Maine, where the snow amounts are going to be the least. So it has been snowing very hard over the past few hours, and the next few hours are going to be no different. Across the state, seeing heavy snow, heaviest along areas closest to the coast, and then snow will lighten up as we get into the day tomorrow, but it's going to continue to snow pretty lightly on and off during the entirety of the day Monday. So it is a much long duration storm. And I do think the Monday morning commute is still going to be pretty tricky because there'll be a lot of snow on the ground and temperatures in the single digits. Traditional road salt doesn't work quite as well. So I think it's still going to be tricky to clean all of this up in time for the morning commute. Again, lighter snow on and off during the afternoon, so we will still continue to accumulate snow during the day on Monday. And then I think there'll be another burst of more moderate to heavier snow as this system ends Monday evening, and the snow finally departs as we get into daybreak on Tuesday. So it's a very long duration storm, that's for sure. We've talked a lot about snowfall rates. Obviously, as we get into the day tomorrow, those snowfall rates will become more manageable, but right now they are incredibly heavy.